Hi guys, today I want to show you how to get rid of the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator. Sometimes when you're working on Illustrator, you might accidentally hit a key and pull up something on your screen that you didn't mean to pull up. So quite a number of times I've pulled up this 3D grid here and didn't really know what it was because in fashion design we don't normally use this grid, or in the type of graphics that I do either. So finally I figured out that it's called the perspective grid, and I realized that it's a tool that's found right here around the middle of the toolbar. And when I was trying to get it off my screen, I was trying to move it and it wouldn't move away. I tried clicking on delete and it wouldn't delete. So finally I figured out how to get rid of it, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So all you have to do if this comes up on your screen is click on View, Perspective Grid, and Hide Grid. Now before I click on this, you'll notice that there's a keyboard shortcut right next to Hide Grid. It's Shift-Control-I. So you can either click on this to get rid of the grid, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Control-I. So right now I'm just going to click on it. And as you can see, it got rid of the grid. And actually that keyboard shortcut that you saw will actually get rid of the grid, and it'll also pull it back up again as well. So if I hit that right now, Shift, Control, or Command I, it pulls up the grid. And if I do the same shortcut again, Shift, Control, or Command I, it gets rid of it. So I'll pull that up one more time and I'll just show you that there's also an icon that pops up here with the grid, and you can also click on the X to X out of it. Now, if you're wondering how the grid popped up in the first place, you may have just accidentally touched on this tool when you were trying to get something else from your toolbar, or you may have accidentally hit this other shortcut that you see here, Shift P, and that might have pulled it up. But regardless of how it came up in the first place, now you know how to get rid of it. So hope that helps. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.